How to draw the head of an eagle, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step, we're just going to begin by drawing a simple curvy line going from left to right. This will be where the eye of our eagle is attached to. Next, before we draw the eyes, we're now going to draw the beak. So for the first step, let's go ahead and draw some pieces of hair that are going down that are connected to the piece that we just drew together. And nicely done. Next, let's go ahead and draw a beak attached to the piece that we just drew. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome. We upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials on a regular basis, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Fantastic. Now we're going to draw another curved line underneath of the beak to make the bottom of the beak. Next, on the top of the beak, we're going to draw a small black circle. This will be the nostril. And right below that small black circle, let's add in a small curved line for detail. Now this next step will probably be the most time consuming. For this step, we're just going to draw the outline of the head, beginning on the bottom. We're going to draw the first bottom piece going from left to right. Then before we make the right side of the head, we're going to go right above and draw the top of the head. Once we have the top and bottom completed, we'll then connect them. And at the very end of today's video, I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Nice! This is a good stopping point for the bottom. Now let's go right above and draw the top. From the top of the head, we're going to go ahead and work our way all the way down from the right hand side to the bottom that we previously drew together. Nicely done. So far we're making great progress. Now for the next and final step before I color in our drawing, we're going to go ahead and draw the eye. So let's go to the right of the beak and let's draw a simple long curved line. Now attached to the curved line that is right above the one that we just made, we're going to go ahead and draw a big circle. This circle that we draw will be the outline of the eye. Now on the inside of that circle, we're going to draw a second smaller circle and fill it in completely black, just leaving the center white. Fantastic! Now we're all done. Additionally, I'm going to go over and add some detail to the head of my eagle. If you want to do this with me, then feel free to do so. If not, then feel free to skip ahead and stop and pause the video so you can color in your drawing. This is how to draw the head of an eagle. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. If you want to see any more videos just like this, then be sure to check out the animal drawing tutorial playlist that I'll show at the end of today's video. I'll also include a link to it down in the description below. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.